Sanibonani. Welcome to another episode. This show is dedicated to all types of artists to share their stories, experiences, and challenges they face in the entertainment industry.
Yes, Saga continues.
Stay with us.
Hello, Mzansi. I hope you are all good. Guys, before nenze noba yintoni ndicela ni subscribe ehlena bathungu nithumelele i-friends zenu and your enemies. Right?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
let's get cozy with
Mr. Obvious
Mr. Obvious.
Sami, please, it's your boy Mr. Obvious RSA. Yeah.
Right. Mr. Obvious. All right.
Ngimnandi siswami ngazakuwe.
Yeah, ngishabo hlena. I know
Sweet.
you've been waiting for this one. You've been waiting for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Obvious ngubani?
Fede igama lami uSamkelo Fakude ngikhulele endaweni yaseMpumalanga, eNthorwane. Then I moved to la eJozi. Yeah.
Okay. And then what decide ubana you know what? Angingafike ngihlale la eJozi. Ithi ngicule.
Eish. Yona ngayiqala ngisahlala like ngayicala ngisaseyintwana lento le.
Oh really?
Lokhu ngikhula nayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh ufike la eJoburg vele so sekuyizinto zakho.
Yeah, sengirana klar.
Cula ini mfethu?
Like ngiqale ngacula umbhoqo enye genre nje ikhothane but no ngiyenza into amapiano.
Okay, unjani umbhoqo?
Umbhoqo ile ngoma lezi bo nje yiphenye. Khona le ngoma leke yaduma Boqozela something lezo. Lezi ikhothane ezisebenzisa ikhothane kakhulu.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then from umbhoqo?
Ngaya kuma piano. I met nje umunye umchita mangifika Orange Farm. Bambiza ubani konje Lovers the DJ.
Okay.
Wangintroduce kuma piano sarana. Ngasebenzisa style sami nje nanong lo ngiqhubeka ngaso.
As that.
Yeah.
How is it ukuba ku music?
Yo. Kumnandi. Kunzima
Sweet and sour.
Yeah. Singasho njalo cause yo ziyakhala kule game futhi ke yo siphethela abake abafuna ukusigila. Oh mara ke sothini.
Ukhile wagilo.
Yo. Kaningi futhi. Lately being under a record label Fede bangilile nje indaba ende futhi. Kodwa ke mangathi ngiyixoxa ngasigna under a record label last year around August. Bese ngalungisebenza bengisebenza kunto ku EP yami ngi1 record label owner yathi ngishaye into joint EP nama artist amanye walaphayana I did bese mase kumele ngidropa amasingili bangiactela bangisalina lina but yeah I guess bekumele ngithola indlela yami ngasigna out kule record label le cause nje bebangangenzeli zona.
Okay, bayakuvumela ukuthi usign up like abathi usign for maybe 5 years ukuthi usebenze nabo bayavuma ukuthi nje mase u decide ukusign out you can.
So ngisho ukuthi enhle kahle besayine icontract yento ye3 years but kule contract le sisayinile ezinye zezinto bebazithembisile abazenzanga so I decide ukusign out ngakhuluma ne record label owner yangibonisa iattitude yangitshela ukuthi ngidabule icontract ngayenza njalo cause vele
So awusignanga out udabule icontract.
yes ngamtshela naye ukuthi yazini ungasangibali kuma artist wakho.
So don't you think udabule icontract so ayikho ke icontract?
Yes.
Don't you think mabefuna ukusebenza nawe bangasebenza nawe because you signed and awuzange wasign out usign out ngomlomo?
Na abana right.
Azet.
Abana right cause contract wathi ngidabule wathi nayo ishisile lebe icopy beyikuye so I guess ayisekho icontract yami na. Wangitshela lokho January
This year.
yes mangibuyela ngithi ngifuna ukurecorda ama single track. Wangitshela
Okay.
ukuthi
Is it-
yena udila ngabantu ababig.
Bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi is it the same person othi mawufuna ukuthi urecord kuye wathi ubusy the next thing wathi utheni uthe wathi when ufuna ukuyorecorda somewhere else wathi
Yes.
you can't because usayine la.
Yes hiyo leyo record label Ocean Music Entertainment something le.
As it.
Yes ngangitshela like bengakhona ukurecorda namanye ama artist angikhona ukunikana ngama voice over like maybe amanye ama-artist egaming abona ngathi le izenza ngcono ayifuni ukusipanisana nathi na ngiyasebenza nabantu but ngenxa yale record label benguyo
Uvalela ngaphandle uma
yes.
kumele ukuthi usebenze nabanye abantu.
Yes.
Khona i-artist enkulu ke wasebenza nayo?
Ngiyasebenza nama-Ghost Chants. Yeah, bese ingoma zakudala abo DJ Lovers. Yeah, cause ngingathi nokurelaxa ngafocus esikolweni.
Right.
Ngabuyela ke kahle gaming mase ngiqedile ke yonke into. Yes.
Right. But kuyapusheka hlene like ama-gigs uyakhona ukuthola ama-gigs?
Yeah, ama-gig ngiyawathola but no okwamanje angikho available for ama-bookings cause ngisalungisa da ezinye zezinto.
Umusic uyazenzela like uyazibhalela then uyenze
Yes, ngi-songwriter, ngi-ghostwriter, phinde ngizigibelele.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Besides this uyokuthi usayina under i-record label, yini amanye ama-challenges obhekana nawo?
Yeah, ukuziphusha, ukuthola ama-gig nje kuningi cause nje into independent artist kunzima ukuziphusha. Yeah, I won't lie. Kunzima kakhulu but ke iphupho lami leli I guess kumele ngigijime ngomva kwalo.
Yeah, ne.
Yes.
Don't you think in fact, let me put it this way, ukuba ne-manager, don't you think maybe kungcono kunokuthi uziphushe? Which one is better between having a manager or uziphushe?
Mina siswami knowledge yami manager useless kimi. I prefer ukuziphusha mina as artist. Ngazi nokuthi mase ngenza imali iza kimi straight ayiqali le nale.
Yeah, ne.
Iza kimi straight kungcono naleyo cent leyo yenzile akunamuntu ukuthi uzolisana naye.
Uzoyishare naye futhi yani.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngizakhala kule game.
Is it? Like mase ufila ngathi ubani artist ongasebenza nayo like obonayo ukuthi if ungasebenza na this guy at least izinto zami zingapopa like uyabona ukuthi kune connection like ningayenza something and a taste if ungaspana na this artist.
And like thingiye ngenkulumo zabantu most yabantu abamamela umculo wami bathi mangayenza ingoma no Mr Nation things ngaba na something ehlangana. And then I believe lo cause ama voice wethu style sethu sicishe sing.
Is it?
Nje like I'm looking forward ukusebenza nabo isikhathi masiloku si.
Okay, uzosizwa umusic wakho like mase siceda like.
Yes.
Is it?
So kulega.
Right. Yini enye into ke uyiphushayo besides music because like angithi uthi uloko stoppa kancane and then uqhubeke futhi yeah.
Into enginokuzenza ama-event organizer under ijikeleza worldwide i-clothing brand futhi leyo bese ngibe i-clothing brand owner Candy Styles.
Candy Styles.
Yes.
Right.
But I'm still working on it register into ezikanjalo.
As I diyo le ngicela.
Le ijikeleza.
Okay.
Yeah, worldwide.
Nale yakho.
La ngi-shareholder enhle ngingasho ukuthi like yaqala njengabangani sibiza ngamajikeleza.
Okay.
Sathi okay asiprinteni izinto sigcokeni kubonakala masifike endaweni ukuthi okay
yini nanga
my
majikeleza manje.
Yeah, abantu but bayayifuna nabo.
Oh,
Sagcina yaqala kanjalo ke ngenxa yabantu.
Yini konje le enye i-brand yakho?
I-Candy Styles.
Le eyakho ne?
Yes, le.
I-Candy Style into ngama t-shirts nama track suits
Like yonke into.
Is it?
Yeah. Sasebenza nje ukuthi ngidesign ngithole nento nama designer ukuthi yazina ngisize silahlela istyle and then ukuthi township intonyana kanjalo.
Right. Umusic sibuyela back to music ya rap.
Singasho ukuthi into enjalo ngiya rapper but phezulu kwepiano.
Oh, rapper phezulu kwepiano.
Yeah, like ngiza nge-style sami.
Is it?
Yes, ithi ngizise boma something ukuthi ngiya kanjani. Asambe ebathini ekithi baphabusisi beyindawo bana badi tropez frontal ne front seat rough dance yazini hay sweet majorini ufuna malini sure ayifuna malini into ecishibe kanjalo.
Okay.
Yes.
It's nice and unique.
Yeah.
Yeah, uthathe ngapha nangapha.
Yes, obvious. I used to be artist lompoqo. Kumpoqo like bekusebenza ama punchline into ezikanjalo. So lo muntu lo owangifaka upiano DJ Lovers wangitshela lento le wathi yabona le style lesisebenzisa ngapha mangasithatha sifake ngapha kupiano bese uthi usifaka into salt ne spice kuzoba mnandi and vele I did ziyakhala manje. Yes.
But uyibiza ngepiano ne?
Yes.
But then like he mixture yombhoqo ne
rap
ne
singasho njalo kahle ngibiza ngeJagalas effect.
Oh really?
Yes. Cause ngizibiza Mr Obvious uJagalas.
Yeah.
Bhala phansi like lapho ke intro yami nani. Yes. So mangithi Jagalas effect ngisho ukuthi yazini hlale nazi ukuthi la khona Mr Obvious kuba mnandi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why Mr Obvious?
Yeah, lelo gama lelo bengizibiza ngoDaki. So ku slogan sami kumbhoqo bengithi Daki is the man, obvious. Like abantu baloku bathi obvious bagcina bathi yazini Mr Obvious. So bengana chance.
Isuka lapha ku Daki is the man, obvious.
Yes.
So kwaphumelela uobvious again.
Yes. Bengana chance. Abantu bangibiza Mr Obvious mina ngizozibiza ngoDaki like
so I stick lapha ku Mr Obvious.
Chance bengiyekho.
Bengizibuza yazi ukuthi why?
Yeah, wona abaningi abantu abangibuza lokho. Ka into ecishithi kuba njalo.
Okay.
Yeah.
To ama artists like asese mancane like abantwana abancane abafuna ukuba ku music industry. Ungathini mfethu kuba?
Yeah, ngamani usebenzisa imali kunokuthi usign under a record label because most ama record label angisho ukuthi ama record label are wrong but most yawo ama label owner awabhekanga ukuthi aphusha ama artist abheke ukuthi wona ayenza imali ibusiness lento le. So my artist ungacabanga ukuthi ku record label le nguyo bayangithanda inani no babheka imali. So my artist kungcono mawuziphusha wena sebenzisa ama resources wakho.
But mawungenawo ama resources
Hlanganisa.
is it?
Yeah, kumele utabalaze sebenze kuma session studio sabantu thenga iproject makumele uyithenge noma collab ayikhendlula lokho ukusayina yo ukuzifaka esihogweni.
But then angithi mawusayina niyahlala phansi nithi nizosayina this thing kumele ukuthi uqala ubheke kuqala and then ube nama questions ukuthi
Yeah.
into esone so sizoyenza nayo esone so like le ihamba njani
Yo.
for you to be safe before usign.
Bayazikhulumela shembona like bangabhala ukuthi ku contract lena so promoter so kwenza ube big but maso sayinile uzozibonela na ukuthi hayi ayikho ezinye izinto engizisayinile la like boma njengami ngenza example ngami mina bangithembisa ukuthi ngizoba big bazongishutha ama promo video ama music video inani bazosiregister under yini lento Sony Music only to find out nje mase under a record label ukuthi hayi yonke lento le amanga like bebazikhulumela.
Okay.
Yes.
Like everyone or under that or sign like everyone who sebenza naye lapha yana
Yeah.
who face the same thing as you or kuphela.
Nah, I think kimi kuphela cause amanye ama artist ebengisebenza nawo noma ngihlangana nabo ngibabuza bangitshela ukuthi bona abacavi nix ngokuthi lapha yakusasa studio cause lesikhathi mina bangitshela ukuthi abasa record bangitshela ukuthi sabayenza ama podcast into ezikanjalo badila ngabantu ababhike nani ababuza ukuthi maye thina ama artist walana masifuna ukurecorda senza njani. Bangitshela ukuthi bona abasekho kunto zama studio inani zo music aziphambili inani but ama artist khona le yama Ghost Gents bengisebenza nayo uGasman.
Yeah.
Ngambuza ukuthi yena under a record label no.
Yes.
Wangitshela ukuthi usase under yona.
The very same.
Yeah, ilaba engasebenza nabo ku
Yeah.
Joint EP. Bona basase under a record label.
Iyabasebenzela.
Ngasho ukuthi babekezelile. Angifuni ukuthi ngibakhulumele yabo.
Yeah.
But ngasho ukuthi babekezelile sengikhuluma ngento engiyibonayo. Ngasho ukuthi babekezelile nje mhlambe balinda ukuthi contract iphele.
no into engizama ukuyi-understanda mina ukuthi maybe nguwe umuntu izinto zakhe ezingazange zahamba kahle, then bona bani labo izinto zabo zihamba kahle, kusho ukuthi bayayithola lento le bebeyisayinelwe, understand?
Yeah,
Maybe ne.
but
Wena mawubheka umusic wabo unjani?
music
Bayafana nawe
wabo.
or like at least bayaphusha nyana?
yeah, engibathembayo lapha kuleya record label bayi-2 ilaba bengisebenza nabo bama-Ghost Gents, uNhlanhla noSiphamandla.
At least bayaphusha.
Yeah, labo cause naku-joint EP yethu kusebenzekile shema ngifuna ukuqamba manga. Like nje into esibhayizisile management beyiphuwa. Otherwise nje kube nama-track wethu cause besizipromotela thina but si-under record label. Record label isithembise into eziningi.
Babenithembisile ukuthi bazonipromotela
ama-video soshuta ngamafoni wethu.
No.
Nje kusayina kungcono ube ne-stress wazi ukuthi ngi-independent. Yeah.
Ne. Ukhile waba kwi-situation whereby like uzobhala ingoma yakho and then uthi maso ready ukuthi you know what, like maybe uyibhale uyenze whatever like wonke lama spices wakho, the next thing uyibone seyiculwa somewhere else?
Yeah, ikuyenzeka leyo. Ikuyenzeka but
What happened?
Mawungarejistanga obvious kwaba into yokuthi ngiyenza i-freestyle ingaka-register under isambro. Ngenza i-freestyle ngiyalidropa after nje few weeks ngizose kunengoma but angizange ngalwa cause angiyirekhodanga ngiyenzanga nix.
Awurejistanga?
Yes, angirejistanga nangapha bokuyi-freestyle engizenzele yona ngevideo.
Okay. Ingoma leni idlalwa yi-artist enkulu noma idlalwa umuntu nje, umuntu omaziyo?
Abantu nje, that's why ngingafunanga nokuyilandelela.
So bona bayithathile bayenza bayiregister noma nabo bayithathile bayenza leyo nto nje kuphela?
Futhi labo bantu labo futhi bancane kunami masithi nje sibheke egaming. That's why ngizange ngafuna nokulandelela ngoba kuzoba ngathi ngibanika i-spotlight into bengayifuni.
Bazonika i-spotlight uwe.
Obvious mangizofuna ukuyilandelela ngithi ingoma yami nabantu bayabheka bese i-track leli maybe abazolidropa after sengibafakela i-spotlight abantu sabababhekile yabo ngcono nje.
And obvious immediately uzocomplaina abantu bazohamba bayobheka ipage labo, iyakhula ipage labo.
Iyakhula ipage labo ama-viewer inani yabo ngcono bayeke ubashaya ngebhomo. Ayona igame ayikho fair.
Ayikho fair ne.
Yeah.
Yinenye besides music yinenye oyithandayo ku-industry?
Mina kahle into engisafisa ukuyenza nengiyithandayo kuba i-photographer. Like ngisakhula ngisayenza umpoqo bengicula ngiphinde ngizishuthe mina ama-music video. Like benginomacala ngimbiza uma-PR Reloaded. Yeah, besishutha besichintshisana mina naye sicula siphinde sizishuthe.
Omunye mayise lana mayikusini omunye ubhizi.
Mayikusini yami kushutwa mina kanjalo. But i-editing benzwa yimi. Namanje amanye ama-video nje most ama-video ngiwadropayo online. Yimi engizi-edithelayo nje ngivele ngithatha umuntu ngimtshele ngishuthe kanje. Bese ngizozenzela okuningi editing nani ngiyazibona.
Oh right.
Yes.
That's great.
But ngisafuna ukuthi yazini ngithi kuyi-level up kancane ngibe professional
the side of i-photography.
Yes, but leyo akusinto ukuthi ngiyayilandelela,
but yinto like i-second choice yakho kakhulu ola.
Yeah, like kahle isifiso sami ukuthi ngibe ne-company yokushutha intonyana enjalo. Yes, but ngizobona ijeni yami mayiloku iqhubeka ukuthi ngenza kanjani.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Usesemncane man, like indlela yakho iseyinde. I mean like usazokwenza izinto and if you keep on being positive, like uzitshela ukuthi whatever uyifunayo uzoyithola. If awuyitholi then it's okay. Ubheka enye into. If bakuthathela ingoma yakho it's fine. Abayithathe and then you move on uyenza
like impilo iyaqhubeka sisona.
Yeah.
But mina yabo impilo nami nginale believe ukuthi yazini one day ngizopopa because I'm multi talented.
Yeah.
Ngi-ghost writer, songwriter, singer, MC, event organizer, brand owner, shareholder e-brand nje kuningi
So there's
nje,
no
like,
way ukuthi ungangaphopi noma kuyi-1
yeah,
ku-E1
like,
kulezinto
akwenzeki angeke like noma kungathiwa like nginamabhadi kanjani akwenzeki entweni ezingaka ngibhayiziseke na like nje futhi nginanethemba lokuthi yazini ngiyayenza lento le.
Okay. Yini ongafuna ukuyikhuluma maybe kuma uthe yini konke ama-record labels?
Yes, ama-record
Yini
labels.
ongayikhuluma kubo like angithi wena ufacane nale nto leyo then
Yes.
like yini ingathi bangayifixa ke maybe?
Fili message yami to ama-hotmane wama-record label owner. Yeah, into engayisho ukuthi ama-hotmane sign i-artist ngoba ubheka ukuliphusha hayi ngoba ubheka imali. Like talent yomuntu kumele uyihloniphe because i-gift yakhe angeke umthathele yona noma ungenzani.
Yeah.
Like uzozama uzamile kungcono umphushe nenze imali ungabi nomhobholo.
Yeah.
Yes. Like yo ama-record label owner yo
Bayaniphana ne.
ya kahle kahle nje mina isifiso sami ukwenza nje kushintsha uyishintsha igame yabo phusha ama-local artist but once ngathola i-chance ngangena angibayekanga ngifuna iqamba manga
Awubaphi chance?
angeke ngibaphi chance ngayithola nje ngangena spotlight ngasithola siphelele sabheka kimi ngeke bayithola i-chance ngeke ngibayeke sizokhala strong.
Wow.
Yeah.
Azikhale baba. Azilile.
Sizokhala plus nanovele ngisebenza ku-EP enama-track ayi-6 ngizobona maybe ngizofaka ne-bonus track abeyi-7 but ke yona seyi-40% done yes and kulokhu ke ngithembisa something more than leya edropwe last year
As
like la obvious
yeah, obvious mara like uyakhula like le oyidrophe manje le ozoyidropha after this one ozoyidropha izoba better than this one angithi
obvious nalapha nje mina ngingene ku record label siswami ngazi ukuthi bazongigila that's why nje nengoma bengizirecorda la bengiyifaka i-effort ane but bengayifaki kakhulu because bengazi ukuthi ekugcineni kuzokhala mina
no
maye le eyabi EP ngona ama masters ngona yonke into zizokhala abantu aba-expect ama-hit kuphela.
but then going back to i-record label don't you think like ngizothini abakunikanga or abazenzanga lezi zinto lezi bebekupromise zona because of like awuzange wenza izinto like
Angicabanga ukuthi ngaloko cause masengikhuluma iqiniso siswami like ne-style sashintsha bekhala ne-producer Nhlanhla bekasho naye ukuthi yazini intwana yami ufike ngenye into bekhala nomntana walo le time le record label beyakhala athi yazini wena ufike ngenye energy ngamangala nje time la khona selingijikela and uye kuphela lo sisi lo beka manager akana inkinga noma ngihlangana naye estradini siyabulisana kamnandi inkinga ile time kuphela and nje mase ngiya eqinisweni like since vela lokakhuluma udoti ngami ngiloku ngi-under yona i-record label like ngise studio ngithola maybe call e-agent kumele ngiphume ngiye somewhere uzongitshela ukuthi angikho serious like ezinye izinto zibalekile empilweni ngeke ngizohlezi ngigijimisa music ngiyazi ngiyawuthanda but ezinye zazo zibalekile kumele mabathi ngitholakale nami mayeke yena bekabona kahle lo akekho serious.
Let's just hope man ukuthi akakulahlela ngezandla because of like beke feel ngathi you're not serious. Yeah.
And nami nje like anginankinga naye namanje masihlangana estradini noma ngidlula lapha ngakakhe ngiyambulisa anginankinga naye kamnandi kanjani nje sawubona timer unjani ngiyaphila
mara yena sama ukwatile ne
anginandaba naye ungigilile it's fine.
Yeah, this is like serious. Music wakho utholakala kuphi ke Bhuto?
On all digital stores uyangithola but no angeke ngithole ngegama lami because kule record label lena bas forced ukuthi sivule boma igroup sizibize ngento ngama Ocean Ninja
Oh
like
yeah.
abasicreditanga basinji vele uthi Ocean Ninjas Get Down EP yawathola amanye wama track esike sawa release but no ngisebenza kuloko sengizozidistributela mina ingoma zami nje yonke into
So awukhona lapha yana kwi Ocean Ninjas like angithi kuno music wakho no music ka Tshepo no music kabanibani or like it was
sihlanganisile group like ababhalanga ukuthi kule group lena Ocean Ninjas uMr Obvious uGasman uNhlanhla ababhalanga bavele bathi Ocean Ninjas like bengizibuza nokuthi abantu bazowazi kanjani ukuthi okay la cula bani la kucula bani because mawuzothi Ocean Ninjas and ngeke ngababuza nangapha ukuthi okay let's say mina nginenhlanhla yama ukuthi ngithola amagig amaningi manje sihlanganisa kanje sizoyenza kanjani abantu mangabe bafuna uMr Obvious noma bafuna uGasman sizoyenza kanjani kumele basibukhe sonke ngenkani but abatshela still ukuthi lento le izospice ezama artist kumele bakwazi abantu ukuthi bakuthola u1 mangabe bakufuna u1 like awuba decide ukuthi like basibize sonke
yeah
yes
ni Ocean Ninjas nicula nonke ngesikhathi esi1 akuna ukuthi lana ke kucula wena uyi1 lana uNhlanhla yedwa
uNhlanhla yena iproducer bengishintshana noGasman
okay
uye bengibela naye phezulu kwama beats
okay
yes like besi3 Ocean Ninjas yimi Gasman uNhlanhla iproducer
so anizange nathola ama gigs
sawathola
bengathola kumele ukuthi niye nonke
yes like yo and most beba cancel amanye cause bake bathi sine interview eThetha FM ngezwe sabathi seyicanceliwe inanani and nangapha the other time bangitshela sekulate cabanga like ungangitshela ngabo 27 ukuthi ngo7 une interview kusekuseni ngiqeda ukuvuka
no
angagizi angenzi nix ngithola i-text bathi nifuneke eThetha ngo7 interview yaqala ngonto 7:15 iThetha ikude naseKasi nje asina imoto asina like kusamele urequest mangabe uya request nje like bebangasicabangeli ezama artist bese kugcineni bazothina sikho serious.
Okay bra like besides Ocean Ninjas again angithi une page lakho
Yes.
abangakuthola kulo
Yes.
so utholakala kuphi ke
Mr Obvious RC kuwo ngama social media qeda nokuvula i-account ku Instagram ngivula i-account ku TikTok yeah
Mr Obvious
Mr Obvious RC zonke
okay
mayengabhalanga Mr
Obvious it's not
Mr Obvious with double I like MROBVIIOUS.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr Obvious SA zonke.
Yes.
Okay,
Zonke
thank you man. Thank you for coming and share your story with us.
Yeah,
Really
kubonga
appreciate
mina sisoma ukuthi ngibe khona la.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah, ngibonga opportunity.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please ningalibali manu subscribe. Guys, please come on.
Yeah,
Please.
do subscribe.
Don't forget. Until next time. Danko.
Yebo-ke.